There are several reasons Australia visa processing might take longer than expected, yet there are certain steps you can take to expedite the processing of your Australian visa in 2024. The Department of Home Affairs regularly updates its database with information on all Australian visas, as the website of the Department of Home Affairs provides comprehensive details about visa benefits, processing timelines, and eligibility criteria. The majority of visa categories are now being processed faster, according to the Australian Department of Home Affairs, notably for temporary visas. This is because the department increased the number of employees handling applications and decreased the backlog of visa applications. How to check your visa processing time in 2024. Using the Department of Home Affairs website Visa Processing Times Guide is the most effective approach to find out how long your application will take to process. With the help of this tool, you may choose the subclass of your visa and find out how long it took to process recently completed applications. However, as this tool only provides you with a time frame based on previous data which cannot ensure that your application will be processed within that time frame. The length of time it takes to process your application will depend on your specific situation as well as the demand for visas at the moment. You can utilize the Visa Entitlement Verification online service to verify the terms and conditions of your visa online, as well as check the particular status of your application by logging into your IMI account and seeing your application data. Tips for a faster Australia visa processing in 2024. There are some steps you can take to avoid Australia visa processing delay, and some of these steps include: 1. Apply early. It may be challenging to predict with precision how long it will take to obtain an Australian visa following your application. Therefore, as soon as you make the decision to visit or relocate to Australia, obtain all the documentation you'll need. If you wait for an invitation to apply before gathering your documentation, you can miss deadlines for document presentation, which might slow down the application process or result in a denial. Generally speaking, if you apply for your Australian visa ahead of time, you'll have plenty of time and avoid the last-minute rush. 2. Ensure your application is error-free. Incomplete documentation is the most common reasons offered by applicants for delays in the Australian visa application process. Applying for an Australian visa is usually a challenging process that requires a number of documents to be attached in a certain order or in compliance with the Department of Home Affairs rules. Make use of the checklists on IMI account to confirm that the required documents are attached for the particular visa subclass. An incomplete or inaccurate application may result in a longer processing time or even rejection. 3. Be quick to respond. Your visa processing time is largely determined by how quickly you react to the Department of Home Affairs requests for additional information and paperwork. If you don't answer within the allotted time, your application may be postponed or rejected depending on the information that is currently available. However, prompt responses will go a long way with the case officer. 4. Demonstrate sufficient proof of funds. Your case officer has the right to ask for proof of funds at any point, even if you are not obliged to attach financial documentation with your online application. A valid bank account statement is essential to demonstrate your capacity to support yourself financially, and it's also one of the primary reasons why processing of your Australian visa may take longer than expected. Additionally, keep in mind that steady cash flows seen on your account may be more important than having a significant quantity in your bank. When submitting your application for an Australian visa, you must also provide certified copies and translations of any non-English documents. 5. Fill out your application truthfully. Providing a genuine and comprehensive visa application to Australia will speed up the processing time while also raising the likelihood of your visa being approved. As a result, be sure to fill out all of the forms correctly, provide all necessary paperwork, and be truthful in your response. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!